Is this the moment when luxury stops being about excess and starts being about intention? After 40, the definition of a perfect home changes. It is no longer loud, trendy, or performative. It becomes calm, intelligent, and deeply personal. Today, we explore a luxury residence where Parisian refinement meets Scandinavian restraint, designed not to impress quickly, but to satisfy forever. This is not just a house tour. This is a new philosophy of slow living revealed. From the very first glance, the front façade sets the tone for a life lived with purpose. Parisian symmetry brings timeless elegance, while Scandinavian minimalism strips away the unnecessary. Tall windows invite natural light, limestone walls ground the structure, and black metal accents add quiet confidence. Nothing here competes for attention, everything belongs. This home does not announce wealth, it communicates maturity, taste, and balance. It feels composed, assured, and designed for someone who knows exactly what they want from life now. Step inside, and the living room becomes the emotional center of the home. Parisian proportions give the space height and grace, while Scandinavian furniture introduces warmth and function. Natural wood floors, linen seating, and restrained decor encourage presence rather than distraction. Light moves softly across the room throughout the day, creating rhythm instead of drama. This is a space designed for conversations that matter, evenings that slow down, and comfort that never feels temporary. The master bedroom is not designed to impress guests, it is designed to restore its owner. Soft textures, muted tones, and balanced proportions create an atmosphere of deep rest. Parisian windows frame the morning light, while Scandinavian simplicity keeps the mind uncluttered. Every detail feels intentional, from the low-profile bed to the gentle contrast of materials. This is a room that understands rest as a luxury, and sleep as a form of self-respect. In this kitchen, luxury reveals itself through clarity and function. Scandinavian efficiency defines the layout, while Parisian elegance elevates the experience. Natural wood cabinetry, stone surfaces, and matte black details create contrast without noise. This is not a kitchen built for spectacle, but for ritual, morning coffee, slow cooking, and shared moments. It respects time, process, and quality, turning everyday routines into quiet pleasures. The mezzanine introduces vertical breathing space into the home. Overlooking the living area, it connects openness with privacy. Black metal railings add architectural rhythm, while warm wood tones soften the structure. This is a place for reflection, reading, thinking, or simply pausing. It represents the balance between engagement and retreat, a defining quality of slow living after 40. The bathroom transforms daily routines into moments of renewal. Limestone walls, sculptural fixtures, and gentle lighting create a spa-like atmosphere rooted in restraint. Parisian symmetry brings elegance, while Scandinavian minimalism keeps the experience grounded. This is not indulgence, it is intentional comfort. A space where time slows, stress dissolves, and care becomes a quiet daily luxury. The front yard extends the home's philosophy outward. Structured greenery reflects Parisian order, while natural materials echo Scandinavian respect for the environment. Gravel paths, sculpted hedges, and soft shadows create a sense of arrival without spectacle. It welcomes without overwhelming, offering calm before the front door even opens. The rooftop is where solitude meets perspective. Open sky, natural wood decking, and understated furnishings create a private retreat above the world. Parisian iron details add character, while Scandinavian restraint keeps the space serene. This is where evenings slow down, thoughts settle, and the day ends without urgency. Designed for focus without pressure, the working room reflects mature productivity. Clean lines, natural materials, and controlled lights support clarity and intention. Parisian proportions give the space dignity, while Scandinavian simplicity eliminates distraction. This is work redefined, not as urgency, but as purpose. The backyard is an extension of interior calm. Soft landscaping, natural textures, and intimate seating areas encourage presence. It is a place for slow mornings, quiet conversations, and evenings that linger. Here, luxury feels grounded, human, and deeply personal. This home answers a quiet question many ask after 40. What does luxury really mean now? Here, it means calm over chaos, quality over excess, and intention over trend. By blending Parisian elegance with Scandinavian clarity, this house becomes more than a design, It becomes a way of living slowly, beautifully, and well.